The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. We have a lot of excitement in our program, and we have brought a host of the entertaining program for all of you. Let's give a big round of applause to our audience. I welcome our Honorable Manager, Reverend Father Patrick, and our Principal, Sister Sunita, to join us for this program. I request to come up and garland and to light the lamp. To prepare us for something bigger. Treat them as opportunities and you will never fail in life. I know being a student is not easy, but trust me, this is the most beautiful phase of one's life and you must enjoy it to the fullest. Children, there are no words to describe how special you are to us. So come on. Let's enjoy this day with joy and happiness by presenting a prayer dance in front of you. Give your teachers a big hand to be present on the stage. To come up on the stage and share some message for our students.
This is not a measure by passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves, says Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. My dear loving children, as we celebrate your day as Children's Day on 14th November, but today this is just since we are having the prize distribution ceremony, we thought of wishing all of you And we remember all of you with love and gratitude to God for your unique gift to us. On this day, we give respect to our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who always loved the children, and in honor of him, we celebrate Children's Day. He says, children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Only through right education can be a better order of society be built up. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Precious message for all our students. Now, time for splashing fun cheers and jolly time for all our children. So presenting for you all a song that is being sung by Shrikant sir.
सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे। खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जोड़ी बन जाए, झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले पल फिर बात करे, झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। इनका किसी से बैर नहीं, इनके लिए कोई गैर नहीं, इनका भूलापन मिलता है सबको बाहें पसारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारी जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे।
Now, moving on, we will have prize distribution for pre-primary and primary students. I would like to call upon our manager, Father Patrick, to give away the prizes.
And something related to monsoon. So the first is Harbir Singh Zawadi. Harbir, please come. Second, Ritul Taide. Is she there?
My dear parents and of course, my dear children, tomorrow is the 14th November and we celebrate Children's Day. Tomorrow also is birthday of our beloved. Who's tomorrow birthday? Chacha Nehru. अभी आपको चाहता हूँ तो सबका नाना दादा बनने लगे हूँ जो भी है। तो उनके जन्मदिन के अवसर पर ये हर साल एवरी ईयर वी सेलिब्रेट दिस चिल्ड्रंस डे। टुमारो being 14 Sunday, we are having it today. Now, my dear parents, now for children, they are doing their role of the parents in school, our teachers. As our Pope, who is in Rome, he says, no marriage is perfect. No marriage is perfect. Why? We make mistakes here and there. Except God, nobody is perfect in this world. So also our teachers and you parents also are not perfect parents or teachers. Must understand that. So there are some ups and downs. मराठी और हिंदी में कहते हैं कि बर्तन घर में बसते हैं, वैसे बर्तन स्कूल में बसते हैं। बट उतना नहीं बजना चाहिए कि उसमें ज़्यादा बड़ा डेंट होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा उसमें नहीं होना चाहिए। थोड़ा सा गिर गया तो ठीक है, थोड़ा ठीक है।
And all together make the world a beautiful garden. Now, in this program, our beautiful teachers have prepared a small dance performance and want to present it. So, are you all excited? So, I call upon our teachers, and our teachers have prepared the dance for our children. What a sizzling performance. I hope children you have enjoyed it. Our teachers are not perfect, but they have performed for our children. They are awesome. Moving on, No doubt, sometimes we are strict, sometimes we are rude. But remember that you are very special to us. And to be a part of your special day, our lovely teachers have prepared a short skit for you all. I hope you will enjoy and cheer your teachers for their hard work.
The world is suffering from pandemic and it had affected different people in different ways. Due to this, there is lockdown in the country. Schools and colleges began online classes so that there is no stop for education. Today we are performing a small skit to motivate our students towards education.
रेचल, उठो, ऑनलाइन क्लास का टाइम हो रहा है बेटा। रेचल,
मम्मी बस 5 मिनट सोने दो मम्मी का बहुत लेट सोई हूँ।
नहीं, लेट हो जाओगे आप। टाइम हो गया है, जल्दी रेडी हो जाओ।
मम्मी ये ऑनलाइन क्लास भी टीचर सुबह सोने भी नहीं देते।
जल्दी रेडी हो जाओ बेटा। रेडी हो गए आप?
ठीक है मम्मा।
ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी है, जल्दी आओ आप। ब्रश किया आपने?
हाँ मम्मा।
चलो नाश्ता कर लो। मम्मा बुक्स रेडी कर रहे हैं आपकी।
कितना टेस्टी बना है मैम, मम्मी मोट।
बेटा जल्दी खाओ, टाइम हो गया है।
बस 2 मिनट खत्म हो गया। अरे मैम आ गई है।
पानी पी लो जल्दी से, मोबाइल ऑन करो। बुक्स ले लो आपकी।
हाँ मम्मी।
मोबाइल ऑन करो बेटा जल्दी।
गूगल क्लासरूम, गूगल मीट आइकन। हाय Tisha, हाय अक्षरा, स्वास्तिका। Hello my dear friends. How are you? No, ma'am is not online. Her network connection is not good. Okay.
Good morning, dear children.
Yes ma'am. Good morning ma'am.
A very good morning to all of you. How are you all?
I am fine ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
So, have you finished with your breakfast? Are you ready for the class?
Yes ma'am.
Rachel is still eating something.
No ma'am. Sorry ma'am.
So, okay. Now, I request all my dear students to take out their English book, open page number 12 and lesson number 4. So, children, kindly take out your books and be ready. Now, I'm going to ask someone to read. Rachel is not behaving well in class.
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
I request you, Rachel, to start reading from the very first line.
Chapter number 5, the digestive system. The digestion
Stop,
starts
Rachel, stop.
from the mouth.
Rachel, I am talking to you. Kindly stop. Which period is going on, Rachel?
Ma'am, it is science period, ma'am.
Do I take your science period, Rachel? I asked you to take out your English book.
Yes, ma'am.
So, which period is going on?
Ma'am, English book, ma'am.
Which period I'm taking, Rachel? You
Sorry,
should pay
ma'am.
attention in class now.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
So now start reading. What happened, Rachel? Why are you crying?
क्या हुआ आपको? टीचर ने मुझे सबके सामने आपकी गलती है, आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए, समय पे उठना चाहिए, कोशिश करनी चाहिए। मम्मी करने वाले कभी आते नहीं हैं। मम्मी 2 दिन से मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड नहीं करा था, मैं राघव वाला सीरियल देख रही थी। मम्मी वही सीरियल जो आप और डैडी देखते हैं ना, जिसमें सास बहू का झगड़ा होता है, वही सीरियल मैं देख रही थी, इसलिए मैं नहीं उठ पाई मम्मी। हाँ मम्मी, मैं अब से अच्छे से पढ़ूंगी, अब से हर एक दिन ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करूंगी। हाँ मम्मी, तभी मुझे रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग भी आ जाएगा, है ना? हाँ मम्मी।
The moral of this skit is that we should maintain cleanliness and hygiene in our surroundings, and parents should encourage their children more and more for online studies, because without cooperation nothing is possible.
Thank you.
Have enjoyed this? I request all the teachers to come up and to wish our students on this special day.
Very happy Children's Day. God bless.